Hey everybody, Lee from URC here at CEDIA 2022. We're going to show off some of our lighting integrations. Here at URC, we're all about control. We're all about making everything work together, but we're excited to introduce our new lighting line. We're making it really, really simple and easy for dealers. There's two SKUs. It's that easy. There's a dimmer and there's a switch. It's as easy as knowing what you need in the wall. We don't need to know what wiring's there. We don't need to know which one's a master and accessory, because it's all done in the software. So we can hand the electrician a box of switches, he can put them in, and then we can set them up and program it. Whether it be neutral, non-neutral, master, accessory, it makes it really, really easy. And it's like the old Model T. They come any color you want, as long as you want white. But we have color change kits. They're very inexpensive, they're easy to snap on, so we can come back in and change it when that customer decided they wanted biscuit, not light almond, or red, not white. Easy, quick, easy change. The gateway can be PoE powered, so we can place it where we need to. If we have an outbuilding, simple, easy. I put one in each area. Works easy, works simple, and makes it nice and easy to do lighting for our dealers. I mentioned we always work well with others. We work with Lutron, we work with Vantage, we work with DMX, we work with Philips Hue, we work with Shelly. You name it, we work with it. And the great part is we integrate those all into the same module. So there's no separate page to go to for Hue than Lutron, than URC lighting. It all shows up in one menu and makes it a cohesive experience for the end user. Excited to learn more? Check out www.urc-automation.com.